It is finally interior time for the Volkswagen, which means we are 99% of the way done with this car, which it's been a long time coming. It's been like 13 years, but life, school, all that stuff kind of gets in the way. However, that means we are going to be starting the process of getting the new upholstery on the front seats. After that, I can put the carpet in, I can put all the panels in, I can put the back seats in, since I've already upholstered those. And after that, you put the windows in the doors and good to go. Driving it off into the sunset, finally. They're a little bit on the heavy side, but the thing I love about these is they're really only held in by a few little clips. And that's about it. It's the easy part about this stuff. These are the said clips that hold the whole base of the seat to the actual frame that you see here. And then literally all it comes down to after that is pinning back these little teeth right here that literally hold the vinyl in place. And that's it. It comes right off. You put a new one on and you're good to go. And there you have it, a disassembled front seat. I'm personally gonna clean it up and kind of give it a little refresher because it needs a fresh coat of black paint and to kind of get rid of some of the surface rust. So that's what I'm gonna do. By the time you see it again, it will be prepped, painted, ready for reupholstery. So I like to add this little burlap cloth over the springs, just so that there's a little added protection so that the foam isn't directly eating into the springs, especially where you're sitting, just so the foam stays as good as it can for as long as possible. It's not gonna hurt, and it's a very easy, simple solution. So the most daunting part is just gonna be getting the vinyl over the padding, but I don't know, I feel like the bottom part is gonna be easier than the top part. So just kind of slide it on.
Let's try from front to back.
And then maybe. So the goal here is to get the tab right above the stitching. That way, when the vinyl naturally wants to pull, it gets stuck by the actual stitching of the upholstery. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Piping is all even on the sides. It's held down by all the tabs. That is it's a grade A upholstery job. I'm going for a B minus on all the upholstery, so this is much more pleasantly surprising. It took about 15-20 minutes, especially if you have a helping hand like my dad. So this is gonna be trial and error. We're gonna first try it upright, sliding the cover over the top just to see if that works. Dry without any type of, soapy water or lithium grease or anything like that. And if not, we'll figure it out after that. So, okay. Oh.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Now it's a question of if we get those seams to
Yeah, we'll make sure the piping is all
cooperate.
correct. Is it still on
Everything's
there?
pretty good up here. Yeah.
That was way easier than getting it off. That's
Something
for
must be
sure.
wrong. It went way too easy.
Yeah, seriously. This corner's a little.
Sometimes it's better be lucky than good.
Yeah. Okay, so far so good. There we go. Tapping with the hammer, kind of roll them over on each other. That way, there's no way they come undone. And you have just reupholstered your front seats. And there you have it, one fully assembled front seat. That thing looks very good. I am very, very happy with it. Now it's time to put some sound deadening in here. All of the old stuff is out. New stuff, modern stuff is going in. Hopefully to keep road noise down, keep things quiet. But let's get it in. It's gonna be pretty much just peel, stick, and roll. That's pretty much all you do. All right, now that all of the sound deadening, noise cancellation, whatever you want to call it, has been installed, I saved you guys the trouble of just me rolling things on for hours. I'm essentially just kind of dry fitting all of the carpet. The best thing is to do a dry fitting, make sure everything kind of fits, you get the kind of idea of it, then you go in with the adhesive.
So this is something that I wanted to try for a while now, and that is using industrial strength Velcro as the adhesive agent, I guess you could say. The carpet itself is already pretty heavy, especially in the horizontal areas of the car, so that you don't really need too much adhesive to hold the carpet down. And with Volkswagens being a little bit prone to water leakage, I wanted just an easy access way to take the carpet up if there were to be a leak at some point. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process. You just adhere the Velcro to the floor and the other side to the carpet, lay it down where you like, and it sticks. I was very happy with how this turned out, and it's just a really easy way to access the floor if there's any type of leak, or you just want to change the carpet or do whatever you want to do. It lays down flat, it's not going anywhere, and like I said, just really happy with this. I did this both to the back portion of the carpet and the front portion of the carpet, and it does not go anywhere at all. Even with moving it, putting your feet on it or whatever, it is pretty much solid in place. So I was very happy with this.
All right, with all that done, I have not been over here in a hot minute, but I believe I can put the rear seat back in. I actually already upholstered it. This was the first thing that I upholstered, just to figure out if I could even do it or not, and I don't want to toot my own horn, but I think it came out pretty dang good. So I think I can start putting this stuff in. Let's see what we got. Oh, there we go. That was easier than it made it look. Just need to tighten up that little bolt right there. And the seat is in. Let's go. All right, the bottom one I do remember, and I also remember it being a little bit of a pain. Should just kind of slide in. Look at that. Oh my God. It's a car again. Wow. It's comfy, it's roomy, you know? Look, they even have an armrest. Wow. Let's get the front seats in. See what that looks like. Hey, here we go. Passenger side, shall we? Wow. And there it is. I mean, the interior's done. I haven't been able to sit in this car like this. It's crazy. It's crazy to see things that you've been working on, at least for this project, on and off for like 13 years. Finally, kind of start to finish. I love it. I think it came out amazing. I love the cream. I love the black carpet. Oh yeah. This is gonna be sick. Oh, it's so cool. Look at this, I'm just chilling. That's cool. And the door's open, which is nice as well. There's still little things I gotta, you know, perfect and make good and adjust, but other than that, this is, wow. Amazing.